Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your XIAOMI Mi 10T, at the first you have to go for your Play Store application, and then you have to type sound recorder in the search pool, and we can download one of these applications, so I think that we can go for this one. So let's get it. When it's finished, we can open, accept permissions, and right now if you want to start record, you have to click right here, and it's turned it on. So right now we can just pause, and then let's check quality of our record. But before that, we can volume up, and it's turned it on. So right now we can just pause, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!